Welcome to Moral Picks. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the formation of nouns from verbs. We'll explore how actions transform into names for things, ideas, or people, learn new words, and create meaningful sentences using them. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel and stay updated with more amazing content. Let's get started. It's homework time now. The last two are assigned as your homework.